So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Kilrea and the turning on of the 2020 Christmas lights. Now, it wasn't possible to do things the normal way. We couldn't have a live show for this year, so the staff of the Causeway Coast Glens Borough Council came up with this idea of doing it virtually and getting you all to join in, tune in, and you could help us turn on the Christmas lights. So that's what we're going to do very shortly. But first of all, we've got music for you and we've got a couple of guests. And we had hoped as well to have Santa Claus. Now, a few nights ago, I was doing one of these and I was able to get Santa Claus on the phone. So I'm hoping maybe if we get my phone out here, we might be able to get him on the phone again. I'm sure he'll be fed up listening to me by now, but we'll give it a try. Let me just bring up his number here. I was really surprised that I had it from last year, but I did. And there we go, we're dialing. So let me try this here. Let's see. It's a long distance phone call, so it'll take a minute to it's ringing. It's ringing.
Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. Hello, Santa speaking.
Hello, Santa. Hi, Santa. It's Brian Moore here. I'm in Kilrea this time. We spoke the other evening.
Oh, hello there. Is everyone well? That's lovely.
Good, Santa. Good. I'm sorry to do this again, but just wondering, since you weren't able to get here to Garve, I was hoping you'd be able to put in an appearance because, Santa, you have some marvellous ways of getting around this world, I'll tell you. But I was hoping you'd put in an appearance. But since you're on the phone, have you got a message for the boys and girls here in Garva?
Well, this year, what we've got to do is, now, you know that on Christmas Eve, that I'll be round to where you are, round about, just before that you get up in the morning. So I need you to go to bed early on Christmas Eve and have a big, long sleep. Because in the morning you don't want your mummy up too early because she's got to put the turkey on and get everything ready for Christmas. So she doesn't want you under her feet all day. Now, for presents, there are some new Lego pieces and we've got some new dollies for the ladies. And for the gentlemen, there's new Action Man figures. Lots of Star Wars and lovely new board games. So I hope I get everything that you want. And if you don't you worry yourself about it. But we'll try and get something later in the year. So I'll say goodbye for now. Have a lovely Christmas and a peaceful New Year. And I'll see you all in 2021.
So, Santa, thank you very much. I'm sorry to be a nuisance, but that was so important that you spoke to the kids here in Kilrea. They'll be very pleased. You want to see the faces? Great. Thank you, Santa. And I wish you a Merry Christmas, and I know all the kids will be tucked up ready for you on Christmas Eve. Okay, wonderful. Thank you, Santa. Speak soon.
Bye-bye.
Okie doke. And at this point in time, what we're going to do is we're going to go over to the Christmas tree and speak to our mayor, who's Councillor Mark Fielding, who's the mayor of the Causeway Coast Glens Borough Council.
Good evening to you all in Kilrea. I'm delighted to be here tonight for the switch-on of the Christmas lights, which I'm sure you're all looking forward to. 2020 has certainly been a very different year for us all, and it's unfortunate that you cannot join me in person. However, I really hope that you enjoy our online programme of Christmas events, which will be shared via Facebook and our website instead. This is such a special time of year for all, but particularly children, as their anticipation and excitement grows in the run-up to the big day. I have heard from Santa by telephone, and he tells me he cannot wait to visit you all in Kilrea on Christmas Eve. As your thoughts turn to Christmas shopping, I urge you more than ever this year to shop local. Our business community has put measures in place to make sure that you can shop, eat and enjoy local in confidence this Christmas. If you're struggling to find that perfect gift, why don't you choose our very own Causeway Coast and Glens gift card, which can be spent in any participating outlet throughout the borough. These can be purchased online or at one of our visitor information centres, where you can also find a great range of artisan products, many of which are made in our area. Finally, I am sure you will all join with me in offering a special word of thanks to the council staff and contractors who have worked so diligently to ensure that the tree and lights are ready for the Christmas period. As Mayor of the Causeway Coast and Glens Borough, I want to wish you all a very merry and peaceful Christmas season and a happy new year as we look towards 2021. Keep safe, everyone.
And thank you to our Mayor, Councillor Mark Fielding, the Mayor of the Causeway Coast and Glens Borough Council. Thank you very much indeed, and a Merry Christmas. The Mayor hopefully will be joining us in just a little while to help us turn on the Christmas lights here, but so we'll look forward to that there. But right now we're going to have a bit of music. This is a man who, believe it or not, is on his 36th CD that he has out, and he's got DVDs out there as well. His posters all declare him to be Ireland's favourite singer, so please welcome Curtis Magee.
Happy Christmas, everybody in Currea. What does Santa say? Ho, 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 ho. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow on a one-horse open sleigh. All the fields we go, you're laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Sing! Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Come on! Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. What does Santa say? Ho, 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 ho. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeers used to let me call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join any reindeer games. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to stay. Well, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, I want you to guide my sleigh tonight. Then all the reindeers loved him as he shot off with glee. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history. Ho, 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 ho. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Merry Christmas, everybody in Kilrea. Ho, 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 ho. Okay, here's the most famous Christmas song that's ever written this time, and you all know it, so let's you all sing along. Everybody sing all together. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know. where the treetops glisten and children listen to hear those sleigh bells in the snow. Everybody sing, come on. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas with every Christmas card I write. May your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white. Everybody sing again. Come on, all together, everybody. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas with every Christmas card I write. May your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white. May your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white. Merry Christmas, everybody. Happy Christmas from Curtis Magee. Thank you.
So, ladies and gentlemen, that was Mr. Curtis Magee. Thank you very much indeed, Curtis. So, we're here in Kilrea, everyone, and come down here during the day in Kilrea, and as you drive in, one of the first things you notice is that marvellous lake with all the water sports. They're brilliant. So you can come down here, play golf or whatever, but of course, there's some great shops in Kilrea as well. So don't forget, everyone, when it comes to shopping, shop local for this Christmas. That's very important. But we're waiting now for our mayor to join us on the stage here. He's coming as quickly as he can. But in the meantime, let's take a trip round the town. So Kilrea, there you go. It's been a busy night here in Kilrea, but now we come to the important bit. It's now time to turn on the Kilrea Christmas lights. I'm joined on stage to do that by the Mayor of the Causeway Coast Glens Borough Council, Councillor Mark Fielding. You're very welcome, sir. I'm delighted you've come along to do this here.
Welcome, Kilrea.
Great, and everybody out there is going to help us do the countdown and turn on the lights here. We had hoped Santa Claus could make it, but you know how it is. He's busy this time of the year. I was hoping with the magic dust that he has, maybe he could put in an appearance, but what can we do? What can we do?
Enough of it.
I'll just have to put up with you. Okie doke, we'll do the countdown. All your Christmas shopping done?
I've got most of it done now, yeah.
Good, and you put in a little visit to Kilrea, no doubt?
I know what's well known for his fishing and his golf and his water sports, so fishing would appeal to me. I do a bit of fishing, you know. So.
Yeah, so I gather, and you've been to the water sports area as well, so it's very impressive.
Yeah, indeed.
Yeah. Okay, shall we do this?
Yeah.
We'll count it down. I'll kick it off, and here we go, everyone. Make sure you help us count it down. 10,
9,
8,
7,
6,
5,
4,
3,
2,
1.
Merry Christmas, Kilrea. Did you see Santa Claus coming in there?
Where is he?
How did he do that? Where's he gone to? He's gone. Happy Christmas, Kilrea.